Who's invading what?
I don't like that.
Even if you don't care about conservation, there's a chance you've already heard the term invasive species. But what does that actually mean? Invasive species can be plants, animals, really just about anything. And it's not really like
Mars is invading Earth.
it's more like... That's right, our domestic cats are indeed invasive species. But don't worry, you don't have to throw away your pet. An invasive species is defined as any non-native species that's causing harm to its ecosystem. But what does that look like? We can break it down into two categories, economic and ecological. First, economically, the presence of invasives can be super costly, from direct infrastructure damage to expensive upkeep. Ecologically, it gets even worse. Invasive species frequently cause native species to go extinct, leaving gaps in an ecosystem that can reduce the presence of biodiversity, suitable habitats, and ecosystem services like nutrient cycling or water retention, while increasing their vulnerability to natural disaster. So, what can we do to prevent this, or at least mitigate it? Well, in large-scale operations like this one in San Cristobal, native and endemic plant species are grown and redistributed back into the wild. But you don't need a whole operation to do this kind of work. I'm in the Galapagos in this beautiful vacant lot where there's plenty of invasive species, but I bet you that there's invasive species in your backyard too. You can start small, planting native flowers in your local garden, for example. And when you're saving a native species, you're not just saving that one species. You're also impacting the ecosystem that it's part of. And that means us too. If we lose pollinators, we lose the majority of the food that we eat. I mean, we're an invasive species too, but that's another video. We're living in the Anthropocene, which sounds like a lot of syllables because it is, but what that means is that we are rapidly changing the world around us, and it's a world that we need. So take a look around you. What are the native and invasive species in your community? If they're not invasive, are they introduced? What does that mean for you? Are they edible, ornamental? What purpose do they serve? And how do you feel about them? Get to know your community, not just your neighbors, but your plant friends too.